Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free.
Today's recipe is sweet pongal. Take 1 cup of jaggery, add half a cup of water to this. Let this boil and be on the flame till it melts. This has melted completely. This is ready. We'll move on and take 1 cup of raw rice. Clean this with water. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pressure cooker. Add 3/4 cup of split green gram, that is moong dal. Fry this well. Roast this for around 5 minutes and add the cleaned rice. Now add 2 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. We are going to pressure cook this. So pressure cook this for about 5 to 6 whistles. This is ready now. Now add the melted jaggery to this. Give a nice mix. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. And now add 2 tablespoons of ghee and give a nice mix. Pongal is almost ready, but we have to give a finishing touch to this. Add some ghee in a pan. To this add 10 cashews and 15 to 20 raisins. Roast this well. This is perfectly ready, and now you can add this into the pongal. Our sweet pongal is ready. Wish you all a very happy pongal. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.